Are you tired of juggling endless tasks and feeling overwhelmed? Discover how Keap can transform your small business. In today's fast-paced business world, time is of the essence. Small business owners need to streamline operations and automate repetitive tasks. Keap is a powerful automation tool designed to save time, increase efficiency, and grow revenue for small businesses. Imagine automating your marketing, sales, and customer service processes, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Keap offers a comprehensive set of features specifically tailored for small businesses, making it the ultimate automation solution. By automating repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails and scheduling appointments, Keap frees up your valuable time. Keap improves efficiency by reducing human error and streamlining operations, leading to smoother workflows and happier customers. With Keap, you can nurture leads, convert prospects into customers, and upsell existing clients, maximizing your revenue potential. Keap integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, pulling in data to automate various tasks and processes. Its CRM functionality provides a centralized database to manage customer information, giving you a complete view of your customers. Keap's marketing automation capabilities allow you to create automated email campaigns, segment your audience, and track effectiveness. Sales automation features help you create automated sales pipelines, track leads, and automate follow-up tasks for better sales performance. Getting started with Keap is easy. Simply visit the Keap website, sign up, and create your account. Once logged in, the Keap dashboard becomes your central hub, providing access to all features and functionalities. The Home section offers an overview of your business performance, including key metrics like revenue and customer satisfaction. In the Contacts section, you can manage your customer database, segment your audience, and create targeted marketing campaigns. The Marketing section lets you create and manage email templates, automated sequences, and track campaign performance. Keap's Visual Automation Builder allows you to create workflows by dragging and dropping elements, setting triggers, and defining actions. Integrate Keap with other tools and software to sync data and automate workflows across different platforms for enhanced automation. Customize Keap to fit your business needs with custom fields, tags, categories, email templates, and landing pages. Experience the ultimate solution for small business automation with Keap. Transform your operations, increase efficiency, and grow your revenue.